guys.
Uh-oh, watch out.
Always make sure the cage is closed, okay?
Oops.
I'll hold it.
Okay, Ella,
Here you go.
do you want to introduce your
Put it
little...
in. Just put it in.
I'll put it in.
Yeah,
Okay,
hurry up,
go ahead.
please. Okay, that's good. Oh, look, he's
He's
chewing.
chewing. Ella, do you want to introduce your little baby brother to your friends and family? Okay. Here.
Okay, let's step back now.
Who's this? Say Marley.
Bye.
Watch your hands now.
Yep. You can
Remember
just
what-
stick it in.
Nope.
And just stick it in gently, and then he'll come to you, okay? He likes his toy. Well, this is Marley. What is it, a rabbit?
No,
What is it?
that's a C.
See? A cat?
No,
Oh.
Quadamundi.
it's a long word.
Chimpanzee.
It has my name in it.
Ella?
Chinchilla.
A chinchilla.
Chinchilla.
You know how old is Marley the chinchilla?
No,
He is 2 months old. His birthday is right after Agong Jeffrey's birthday, September 2nd, 2009. And we just got him for a pet. And his name is Marley. Who came up with the name Marley? He's just a baby. Oh, I can hear him chew. He is so flighty. Whoa!
I bet you tomorrow morning is going to be everywhere. As long as he doesn't fling his poo.
No, he doesn't. Ella, you excited?
yeah.
Here's Marley's
No school
family
today.
tree.
Yes,
Nope, tomorrow.
No school today.
It's today, his son.
Yes. Today I get to tell Brittany. Yes.